National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Cape May County in southern New Jersey, central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Woodbury to near Palmer to Greenwich, moving east at 40 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing quarter-sized hail in northern Delaware. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Camden, Vineland, Millville, Richmond, Gloucester City, Cumberland, Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Deptford, Voorhees, Medford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Hamilton, Lumberton, Belmore, Woodbury, and Pittman. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 2 and 4, Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 19 and 39, Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 1, Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 11 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Camden,